Hello friends, let's see in this video how to solve chemistry paper for getting maximum score. Technique used here are also applicable to other subjects with little modification. To understand the technique, please see the video till the end. The techniques discussed in this video are subject to change concerning the examination pattern, learning outcomes and assessment scheme of the institute. The video is divided into three parts: prior preparation, systematic presentation, beautification of write-up. Prior preparation refers to preparation that is to be done before receiving question paper. Generally, answer sheet is given 5 to 10 minutes before. These steps let you know that what are the things you have to perform in a given time. The systematic presentation gives you detail on the writing, presentation and do's and don'ts of the answering. Beautification of write-up is important to grab the attention of the examiner to answer you have written. In a glimpse, the examiner should know that you have understood the concept thoroughly. This session is also allow you to rectify the minor mistakes. A typical answer sheet looks like this, where you need to enter your information, for example, number of seat number in the figure and words, examination, subject, section, subject code, day, date, medium of answers, etc. Do not write your name on this answer sheet. It may disqualify for the examination as it violates confidentiality of the writer. Fill all the information correctly with good handwriting. Do this part first. If something goes wrong, then you can replace the answer sheet. However, attempt that you will not need to change the answer sheet. Write with only one color ink on this section. Do not overwrite. Make the 3-line margins on the left side of the answer sheet, whereas on the right you can draw the 1-line margin. The right side margin can be used to denote the number of marks for which particular question has been asked. Declare the last page as a rough page. This is required for making sum and other rough work while answering the questions. Divide this rough page into number of quadrants. This will let miniature planner for all the question. Read the whole question paper. While reading the question paper, from start to end, your subconscious minds start thinking on all the questions at once, and this will give you more advantage in writing the answer. This also saves your precious time in the examination. Let us see what you need to understand from the questions, verbs seen in this question paper. Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy. In order to understand what is asked in the question and what answer is expected, Bloom's taxonomy is going to help you out. This model classifies educational learning objectives into level of complexity and specificity. This model was named after Benjamin Bloom. The base of the pyramid is knowledge. This will test your ability to remember and recognize recognize answer. The basic concept, fact or term. Verb used here are state, select, reproduce, relate, recognize, outline, order, name, memorize, match, list, label, identify, describe, define, arrange. Then it comes comprehension. This will test your ability to demonstrating and understanding fact. Verb used here are translate, summarize, select, rewrite, review, recognize, predict, paraphrase, locate, infer, indicate, identify, give, generalize, express, explain, examples, estimate, discuss, defend, convert, classify. The next higher level is application. It involves solving a problem with the help of acquired knowledge and expressed with the verb like write, use, solve, sketch, show, schedule, relate, produce, prepare, predict, practice, operate, modify, manipulate, interpret, illustrate, employ, dramatize, discover, demonstrate, compute, choose, change, apply. On the third level, analysis involves examining the information and break into the parts. Verb deployed here are test, subdivide, separate, select, relate, question, point out, outline, model, infer, illustrate, identify, fast, experiment, examine, distinguish, discriminate, differentiate, diagram, criticize, contrast, compare, categorize, calculate, break down, praise. On the second level, synthesis includes building structure diverse element. Verb used here are write, tell, synthesize, summarize, set up, rewrite, revise, relate, reconstruct, recognize, rearrange, prepare, plan, generate, formulate, explain, devise, design, decide, create, construct, compose, comply, combine, collect, categorize, assembly, arrange. On the top of all, we have evaluation. Involves making judgment from the available information, and the verbs used here are value, support, summarize, select, relate, rate, predict, justify, judge, interpret, explain, estimate, discriminate, dis- describe, defend, contrast, conclude, compare, choose, attach, assess, argue, praise. From this word, you have to understand what is asked, what is expected, how much should be the length of the answer for a particular question. Make a virtual plan for all possible questions. Write the hint formula. Draw the diagram that you remember at that instant. Plan your answer and sequence into micro note. Now, at it is time to represent the knowledge that you have acquired within the days before the examination. Start answer sequentially. Underline the question keywords and underline the keywords that you think important as far as evaluation of answer is concerned. While answering the questions, make use of neat diagram wherever it is applicable. This diagram should be neat and labeled. Plot should be proper with legend and titles. In a few questions, you may need to write the reaction and the formula. If you are confident, then and then only write the mechanism of the reaction, else it will create negative impression. defines all the variables used in the formula with their SI unit. Wherever the answer is obtained with the number of sequential steps, then it is important to write the answer with the step. In the marking scheme, the step may involve the marks, and most of the time you may get an advantage even if a few steps go wrong. Avoid writing the direct final answer. This may smell fishy. If you are not sure about your answer, then leave some space for it and keep it aside for the try. Here, do not disturb the sequence of answering. Otherwise, this creates a lot of chaos while examining these answers. Make sure that your answer sheet has been signed by invigilator. This is one of the important steps for as far as the validity of document is concerned. Also, do not forget to write the total number of supplements attached. Tie the supplements. Recheck the whole answer sheet once and rectify. Do not forget to declare end of the answer sheet. However, this is not mandatory but create ease for examiner as he need not waste his time for searching answer in incoming blank pages. Hope for the best. Before ending this session, let me show you the answer sheet written by the boy studying in the Standard 1 for English subject. This is the specimen of writing, indeed expresses the joy of writing. Once upon a time we all enjoyed this activity, but somehow we forget this in the due course of time. Keep writing, all the best. Hello friends, if you like the video then please subscribe. Press on bell icon for setting alert. Also, do not forget to write a comment about the video. Your suggestions are precious to us. For video on demand, please select the option in Google form given in the link below. Thank you for watching.